In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage employee payment preferences in Deel, a tool that's making global payroll and contractor management so much easier. If you're new to Deel or looking to improve your workflow, you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll guide you through everything you need to know to set up and manage payment preferences efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make sure your team is paid the way that works best for them, no matter where they are in the world. Now, before we dive in, if you're interested in using Deel, you can start with a completely free trial through the link below, and you'll also get exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. You won't want to miss it. First off, let's get clear on what Deel is offering when it comes to managing payment preferences. Deel lets you pay your employees and contractors in their preferred method, whether that's through direct deposit, bank transfer, or even cryptocurrency. The platform supports over 120 countries and gives employees the flexibility to receive payments in a currency they're comfortable with. This helps you stay compliant while making sure your global team is paid smoothly. To manage payment preferences in Deel, start by logging into your Deel account. If you don't already have one, creating an account is simple and takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, head to the Employees or Contractors section, depending on who you're paying, and select the individual whose payment preferences you want to update. From here, you'll see a variety of options related to payment preferences. You can edit payment details by clicking on the employee's name and going to the Payment Settings tab. This is where you can update their payment method, like changing from bank transfer to PayPal, or updating account numbers if they change their bank or country. Deel allows a smooth update process, which ensures you don't miss any payments. It's important to make sure that your employees' details are always up to date to avoid any issues. Deel makes this super simple. Employees can also set their own payment preferences directly through their profile, so they can choose the method they prefer. If you're an employer, you can review and approve these changes, ensuring everything is correct on your end. Another feature to note is that Deel lets you choose the currency of the payment. If you're working with international teams, Deel gives you the ability to send payments in their local currency or even offer payments in cryptocurrency. This makes the whole payment process faster, cheaper, and hassle-free. Be sure to check that your currency settings align with the preferences of your employees or contractors, especially when dealing with international payments. This helps you avoid any confusion and ensures that everyone gets paid correctly. If you're managing a large team or multiple contractors, Deel's bulk payment feature is a game changer. With just a few clicks, you can set payment preferences for multiple employees at once, saving you time and reducing errors. Simply upload a list of employees or contractors and specify their payment method and currency. Deel will handle the rest, sending payments seamlessly. One last thing, Deel offers automated reminders for payments, so you never have to worry about missing a payday. The platform will automatically notify you when it's time to send payments, ensuring your team is paid on time every time. This feature is especially helpful if you're working with contractors across multiple time zones and don't want to risk delays. To wrap up, Deel's flexibility with payment preferences gives you the ability to cater to your team's needs, whether you have 1 employee or 100. By setting up and managing payment preferences efficiently, you can ensure that everyone on your team gets paid the way they want, and you can focus on growing your business. And remember, Deel is offering a free trial plus exclusive bonuses through the link below, so take advantage of it while you can. That's it for today's quick guide on how to manage employee payment preferences in Deel. Make sure you hit the link below for your extended free trial. Happy managing, and see you in the next one.